Hello everyone, my name is Carrie. Nice to meet you. And today I will introduce how to use intramammary syringe. Usually, intramammary syringe for cow mastics is 5 nanometers. This is our 5 nanometer syringe for cow mastics. It consists of 3 parts. First is its cap and a plunger. A plunger can be red, green, red, or other colors. Last is the tube. Usually, when users receive the syringe, it contains like that. There is usually supplement or medicine in the tube. So how to use intramammary syringe when you receive it? First, you should take off the cap, just like this. The needle is soft, so it's safe for cow mastics. And then push the plunger, just like this. When you finished that, if there have left some medicine in the tube, you can take the cap on and put it here. Bye bye.